To sharpen your Renee Midnight Kohl Pencil, make sure to use the free sharpener that comes with it. While any standard pencil sharpener might work, a makeup sharpener is highly recommended to prevent breakage and ensure a smooth, precise tip. Makeup sharpeners are designed to handle the softer kohl formula without causing unnecessary waste. To sharpen, insert the kohl pencil into the sharpener and gently twist in one direction to avoid crumbling. If the tip becomes too sharp, lightly rub it on the back of your hand to soften it for a smoother application. Regularly cleaning your sharpener will also help maintain the pencil's performance, as product buildup can affect sharpening efficiency. For best results, store your kohl pencil in a cool, dry place to prevent the formula from becoming too soft. If you find it difficult to sharpen, briefly place the pencil in the refrigerator to firm it up. Proper sharpening and care will keep your Renee Midnight Kohl Pencil ready for effortless eye looks.